Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Very welcome aboard this Aer Lingus flight EI-528 to Paris. The captain just informed this flight time is approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes. In preparation for departure, please check your seatbelt is securely fastened. Your tabletop is stowed and your seat back is fully upright with the armrest down. Smoking aboard is illegal and the lounges are fitted with smoke alarms. It's offensive to tamper these alarms or to move any safety goods such as seatbelts or life jackets. Please advise that failure to comply with these regulations may result in prosecution. We're very pleased to be aboard today. Hope you're comfortable and that you enjoy your flight. Please ensure now all your personal electronic equipment, including mobile phones, can switch to flight safe mode, and the use of certain devices prohibits throughout the flight as they can cause interference with the aircraft navigation system. Full details are available on our travel magazine Cara. I please ask now if you want any headphones, please ask you to remove them for the duration of the stage demo. May also remind you that the use of any e-cigarettes is prohibited on any Aer Lingus flight. May you now draw your attention to safety features on this aircraft and Airbus A320. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end of the buckle, secure it around your waist, pull firmly in the strap, and to open your seatbelt, lift the buckle cover. There are 8 emergency exits, all of which are clearly marked around the wide exit signs, and floor pad lights will guide you to the exits and poor visibility. There are 2 doors in front of the cabin, one left and one right. 2 doors back of the cabin, one left and one right, and in the centre of the cabin at 12 and 13 there are 4 opening exits, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. All exits must be cleared during takeoff and landing. Please take a moment now to locate the exit nearest to you, bearing in mind the nearest usable exit may be behind you. And in the event of emergency on board, may please ask you to leave all hand baggage behind you. If the cabin pressure fails, an oxygen mask will be lowered automatically in front of you. Should this happen, stay in your seat, pull the mask down fully, cover your mouth and nose with the mask, secure the plastic strap and breathe normally. You must put on your own mask first before you attend to children or other passengers. There's a life jacket and package at every seat. If instructed by the crew to use this, you should take it out of the package with the jacket over your head. The long strap should be wrapped around your waist at the front, clipped and pulled tightly. Each jacket has a light and a whistle to attract attention. You inflate the jacket by pulling down the charm with the red tag hanging below the jacket in front. It may also be inflated by blowing through the rubber tube. Jackets must only be inflated once outside the aircraft. There's safety information card in the seat pocket in front of you. This card contains important safety information. Please study carefully before departure. Thank you.
En vue de notre décollage, veuillez bien attacher votre ceinture de sécurité, relever votre tablette, redresser le dossier de votre siège et abaisser vos accoudoirs. Il est interdit de fumer et de consommer de l'alcool à bord. La détérioration des équipements de sécurité à bord, comme les ceintures de sécurité ou les gilets de sauvetage, constitue une infraction. Toutes les issues de secours sont signalées par un panneau exit rouge. Les passagers installés à proximité des issues de secours doivent ranger leurs bagages dans les compartiments prévus à cet effet. Un marquage lumineux au sol guidera vers les issues en cas de faible visibilité. En cas de dépressurisation de la cabine, un masque à oxygène se présentera devant vous. Restez assis et tirez sur le masque. Appliquez-le sur votre nez et votre bouche et respirez normalement en plaçant la bande élastique autour de votre tête. Une fois que vous avez bien installé votre masque, vous pouvez aider les enfants ou les autres passagers à faire de même. Un gilet de sauvetage se trouve sous votre siège dans une pochette jaune. L'éclairage en cabine sera réduit pendant la durée du décollage et de l'atterrissage.
Stations, cabin secure check.